Hello everyone, this is a video on a clutch problem on some of the Dodge Vipers, not all of them, but some of them. I picked this one up a little while back, and the bird cage, I think they call it, this little plastic clip here, broke while I was driving it. It's a horrible design, I don't know why, but anyway, this little plastic bird cage clip thing snaps and then the clutch engages. So if you're in neutral, you're not going to get it back into gear. If it's in first gear, it's just going to stay in first gear until it conks out or launch forward. I looked on some of the forums and all, and I couldn't find too many solutions. So I just went up underneath and drilled it and cotter pinned it. So I'll show you here in the video how I did it. But basically, it's kind of hard to make out because there is no room. I had to start by taking the driver's side seat out, and then you're working upside down. So here's some of the shots here, and if you notice here, I did take one of the clips off. I was in the process, and it's kind of, like I said, hard to see, but the bird cage is in the back. It's got a couple of other metal clips everywhere else, but not where it should have it. I don't know why they didn't just put these metal clips where that bird cage clip thing is. Anyway, one area I had to pull it off to get to everything else. So I'm going to pull the pedal back and taped it up so it'll stay out of my way since there's no tension on it. So anyway, here's the little bird cage here, and what I'm going to do is take this black bushing from this side, go buy another one because it fits on the where that clip where I'm having that problem. I'm going to put that piece there and then drill a hole and then cotter pin it into place. Now here's the hole that I drilled, and I used I think a 1/8 drill bit. Yeah, it's not centered. I'm surprised I was able to get it that good. But there is absolutely no room. You almost need a drill with a 90-degree angle to get in there to drill it, and there's nothing to start it. I'm drilling in a crevice. It's not a smooth area, so it's going to keep the bit's going to want to keep walking. So I mean, the best way to do it is take the whole clutch assembly out and then do it. But I'm not going through all that mess. So the washer, I use a nylon washer. Here's the piece that I bought with the part number, and here's the piece installed, and then here's just a mock-up of the of everything before I put the pin through it. And again, hard to take photos upside down where there's no room to even work. But the pin is in. I left the flanges of the pin flared out a whole bunch in case it did break. I can if something went wrong, I can still flex that back again pretty easily to get it out. And there's no clearance issues or anything like that. So everything works pretty good now. I've had a couple thousand miles on it since I've done this, and you may want to check, or if you already know you have this problem, this is just one solution. There may be a better one, I don't know, but this is the one that I did. Seems like it's working pretty good to me.